Good morning to all. How are you? Fine, very good. Okay. My dears, today we are discuss about our first chapter, reaping gold from soil. Uh, in our previous class, we are discussed about the new plantation methods, layering and grafting. Today we are discussed about the third method and the last method is budding. Okay. Are you hear about this method? In modern peoples are usually used this method. Is budding. Budding is used. Most of the peoples are used the method of budding. Okay. What is budding? In this method, a bud is grafted. A bud is grafted instead of grafting a branch to another plant. In a bud is grafted, not a branch. Bud is grafted. This method can be used to produce flowers of different colors in the same plant. In the same plant, in this method, to produce flowers of different colors in the same plant. Buds of other varieties can be grown on indigenous varieties. Buds of other varieties can be grown on indigenous varieties. What are the procedure of budding? There are 4 steps in budding. The first step is, listen, look the picture. Cut off the bud from a quality plant. Cut off a bud from a quality plant. The second step is make a T-shaped cut of the plant on which the bud is to be grafted. T-shaped cut on the plant on which the bud is to be grafted and leave the bark open. The T-shaped part is leave the bark open. This is the second step. T-shaped cut of the plant. The third step is insert the bud into the T-shaped cut on the bark. Insert the bud into the T-shaped cut on the bark. Wrap it in such a way that the bud is exposed. The fourth step and the last step is cut off the upper part of the stalk when the bud attains proper growth. Bud attains at a proper growth, cut off the upper part of the stalk. These are the 4 steps in budding. Okay. We are discussed about there are 3 methods for the new propagation method. There are layering, grafting and budding. At present, most of the peoples are used for the new propagation method is budding. Budding is used at present most of the peoples. Okay. The next topic is hybridization. Hybridization. Okay. What is hybridization? Hybridization is the method of producing new seeds through artificial pollination. What is? Hybridization is the method of producing new seeds through artificial pollination. Artificial pollination between plants of the same species but of different characteristics. Artificial pollination of plants of the same species but of different characteristics. Seeds formed in this manner may combine advantages, disadvantages and mixed qualities of both the parent plant. The new crop is have characteristics of the mixed qualities of both the parent plant. Seeds with the desired qualities are selected from these. Okay, this is the hybridization. It is the method of producing new seeds through artificial pollination between plants of the same species but of different characteristics. Okay, listen. The crops are two types of varieties, variety 1 and variety 2. Variety 1, listen the table, look at the table. Variety 1, long lifespan, variety 2, short lifespan. Next, low yield, variety 2, high yield. Active growth in our soil, variety 2, poor growth in our soil. High resistance to disease, variety 2, low resistance to disease. Needs less nurturing, needs more nurturing. Okay, these are the two types of crops. Hybrid variety coconut tree. Hybrid variety coconut tree. Let us familiarize ourselves with certain hybrid varieties of coconut. Look, Chandraleksha. Chandraleksha is the tall variety of Lakshadweep ordinary and dwarf variety of Chavakkad orange. Next, Chandra Shankara, Chavakkad orange and West Coast tall. Next, Lakshya Ganga, Lakshadweep ordinary and Ganga bond. Good quality seeds of paddy, vegetables, etc. have also been developed in this manner. Let us familiarize ourselves with some of these seeds. Paddy varieties are Pavitra, Hriswa, Annapurna. Lady's finger, Kiran, Arka, Anamika, Salkirti. Brinjal, the varieties of brinjal is Surya, Shweta, Harida and Neelima. These are the hybrid varieties of these vegetables. Okay.